morning, children. Good morning, children. How are you all? Fine? All are fine? Okay. So, from today onwards, I am going to start revision. Already whatever chapter we have completed, you complete in your book and start learning. From today onwards, I am going to start revision of chapter 1 and 2. Chapter 1 and 2. So, the first chapter is endangered plants. What is the meaning of endangered? Endangered means some plants are going to be extinct, means going to disappear. Endangered means some species of the plants are going to disappear, means from this earth. So, some plants names are here. Can you name the name of the plants? Can you name? Okay. Redwood, Knowlton cacti, sago plant, Venus flytrap, silverworts and brush lilies. Here 6 names are given. You find out some more names. Okay, so here 6 names are given. These names are redwoods, Knowlton cacti, sago plant, Venus flytrap, silverworts, brush lilies. So here only 6 names are given. You find out more names. Next question. Which is the tallest tree? Which is the tallest tree in the world? Which is the tallest tree in the world? The answer is stratosphere giant. The answer is stratosphere giant. And it grows in Rockefeller Forest. And it is found in California. And the height of this tree is 112.32 meter or 369 feet. So, you know the name of this tree, which is the world's tallest tree. It is the stratosphere giant. Okay, and the redwood is almost 3 times the height of the Statue of Liberty in New York. Already you are familiar about the Statue of Liberty. So what is the height? It is a 3. The redwood tree is 3 times of that Statue of the Liberty. So, name. At least you learn 4 or 5 names. The name of the trees which are going to extinct. They are redwood, Knowlton cacti, sago plant, Venus flytrap, silverworts and brush lilies. Okay, now what is the world tallest tree? What is the name? The name the tallest tree in the world. The answer is stratosphere giant. Okay, and it is the 3 times taller than the Statue of Liberty. Okay, now the second one is green doctors. Some plants are very valuable. Why they are valuable? Because these plants are used to make the medicine. So here some plants name are given. The extract, I am reading, the extract of the bark of white willow of Europe, traditionally used to reduce pain and fever, give us salicin out of which is made. The extract. Extract means some parts which come out from the bark. The name of tree is white willow, and the medicine made which reduce pain and fever and give us salicin. What is the answer? The answer is aspirin. Aspirin is made from white willow. Aspirin is a pain killer. It is made from white willow. Second is penicillium. Penicillium trichogenum, a type of fungi found indoors, is the source of many, most significantly penicillin. It was accidentally discovered in 1928 by Alexander Fleming, who noticed it inhibits the growth of bacteria. The answer is, what is the answer? The answer is antibiotics. Penicillin trichogenum is the type of fungi. From that, Alexander Fleming made antibiotics. Cinchona langrennia is a plant native of South America and brought to India by the British. Gave us dash, which is used in the treatment of malaria. That is quinine. Cinchona langrennia is a plant native of South America and brought to India by the British. Then give us quinine, which is used in the treatment of malaria. So answer is quinine. Quinine is made from the cinchona plant. Extract from the Madagascar periwinkle, used in traditional medicine from ancient time, are also used in the modern medicine to treat. What is the answer? Answer is cancer. The extract means something come out from the plants. Extract from the Madagascar periwinkle. It is used in traditional medicine from the ancient time and also used in the modern medicine to treat cancer. Cancer is not incurable disease. The extract from the leaf of common foxglove. All these names are the name of tree, common foxglove. Give us digitaline, used in modern medicine to control the heart rate in the people with dash problem. What is the answer? The answer is cardiac. Cardiac is related to heart. When the people are having the problem in heart, so this medicine is given. Next, the St. John's wort, used in traditional herbal medicine to treat dash, is today often prescribed instead of more powerful synthetic drugs. Answer is depression. So here some names are given and some disease names are given and some medicinal plants are given. So you all have to learn these two chapters properly, and in the next period I will ask the question from these two chapters and be ready for third and fourth. Now is the homework time to learn chapter 1 and 2. Now I request, dear children, from you and from your parents that you see the videos and keep your knowledge update. Thank you.